What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on this crypto called Compound, which has pumped up over 12% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $41. So as you guys can see, it has pumped up quite a bit over the last week or so, and it has a similar pattern to Bitcoin because Bitcoin has also pumped up over 2%. But again, over the last week, it's been a very good week for the crypto market, with Bitcoin going from about $25,000 all the way up to $30,000 in a space of about 3-4 days. So again, the crypto market has been on the green side, and hopefully we can maintain that for this week as well. But again, today's focus is on Compound. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.3% in the last 24 hours. Nothing too major, and we've got Compound as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour, it has dropped just about a percentage over the last day, nearly 15% up over the week, a massive 50%, guys. As you can see, major increases here on Sunday, dropped back down, and late last night and today it's been pumping up in value, an overall 50% up, and over the month is just about 20%, with major drops in early June, but it is slowly starting to recover. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 110% in the last 24 hours, making it over $111 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Compound. Is one of the top gainers, so it is going to get a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it, meaning more buyers, more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is one of the top gainers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Compound, which is here in purple at $30. However, it is trading at much higher value here in red at $41.70, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But as usual guys, before we get into all of that stuff, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are not looking too good. We've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are on the way for Compound over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Compound to drop in value, but nothing too crazy, nothing major. Minimal drop in value is what is expected, potentially dropping down to just about $40 is what I'm expecting. However, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping as of right now. Of course, we are likely to see more green candles, red candles, up and down. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect it to more or less drop down to around $40 is what my expectations are over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Quite an interesting one here guys. We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what this usually means is an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Compound over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by early to mid next week, Compound should be more or less trading around its current price range of about $41 to $42, somewhere in between there. However, That does not mean it's going to be maintaining this price range consistently over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to drop below $40, pump up to about $45, $46 as well. Up and down, it's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome by mid next week seems to be more on the neutral side. So fluctuating around $41 to $42 is what my predictions are at the moment. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market in general performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit too steep right now. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very positive, heading towards the bullish direction. However, the only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. As I mentioned plenty of times in my previous updates, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, either going in a bullish or bearish direction, it's not realistic, and the exact same applies to compound as well. This is not realistic. Again, it's biased. So again, even though I am expecting an overall increase in value over the next 14 hours, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so in this case I'm talking about mid to late August 2023, I'm not expecting anything too crazy. Potentially heading to about $70 to $80 is what I'm expecting, where I'm expecting compound to be trading at in August. However, as I mentioned, this depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, if Bitcoin manages to pump up to 35, 40k or even higher than that, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market. However, if it drops down below $25,000 to about $20,000, we are going to see major drops in the crypto market as well. So again, this depends mainly on Bitcoin, you know, how, if there's any news that can have an impact on it, and anything that, so for example, if Elon Musk comes out and says something positive about Bitcoin, we are going to see major increases, and this is going to affect the whole crypto market. And that is what I mean by every little news, guys, have a major impact on the crypto market. Again, these things are not predictable. I can't really predict what Elon Musk is going to say about any cryptos, or, you know, in a positive or negative way. So again, there's a lot when it comes to cryptocurrency, but I try my best to give you guys the latest updates, latest news that can have a potential impact on any cryptocurrencies, which could effectively impact the crypto market in general. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions. As said in the thumbnail, can compound hit $100? Yes, it can. It's not too far off $100. Potentially towards the very end of the year to beginning of next year is when I'm expecting compound to be hitting the $100 mark. However, this depends on the crypto market. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below what is the highest figure you guys predict compound to hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.